Hello guys, welcome to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen, and in this video I'm going to give you an advice which might be helpful for you if you are owning your website or your business in WordPress. I've seen it guys, many of the WordPress website or business owner, they keep on trying new plugins and themes, and then after some time they deactivate them and then they forget about them. So in this video we'll specifically see why you should delete these unused plugins and themes from your WordPress website, why it is so important. So let's see. The number one issue guys is the space issue. So these plugins, these unused plugins and themes, they occupy some amount of space on the server. And also some of these plugins and themes, they introduce their own custom tables, or maybe they use existing table of WordPress and store their data in those tables. So keeping these unused plugin in your WordPress, can overload your server and your database, which indirectly affect your site speed. The number two reason guys, vulnerability issue. So these unused plugins and themes, they can cause vulnerability in your WordPress website, because most of the time the hacker or the bot of hacker, they keep on looking for such unused plugins or files, and then hacker introduce their malicious code in those plugins and themes, that those unused plugins and themes, and nobody think that these plugins, these unused plugin can cause something to their website. So this is the best place for hacker to put their malicious code, and hence it slowly infect your entire WordPress website, and possibly it could be the cause of permanent hack of your WordPress website. So my advice to you guys, always delete these unused plugins and themes from your WordPress website. If you are not using them, you don't need them. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, just put them in the comment section. I'll reply to all the comments, and see you in the next video. Have a good day.